Page 60, Tropical Winds. They're pointing out different chord progressions that you can use. Maybe if you want to compose music or make up your own music, you can try these out. They give you the Roman numerals for the first line. We're in the key of G major. So we're going to use the 1 chord, which is a G chord. And the 6th chord would be here. And then the 4 chord is here. And then the 5 chord, or the 5/7. And you just repeat that pattern over and over and over. So we're here. Isn't that cool? Sounds nice. But this is a chord progression you can use. Now in this piece, let's just go over and make sure we got the notes and the rhythms. Hopefully it won't be too much of a problem for you. By now you should be getting used to all these accidentals. And this counting, this rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 4/4 time, I forgot to mention, but you'll get the idea. And the right hand, second line. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Thing. So hopefully that's not a problem for you. They're telling you at the top, if you have an electronic piano or if you have a drum machine or something that has drum grooves built into it, or you can make your own, I guess, telling you to put it on, what are we putting it on? A Latin rhythm. Oh, that'll be fun. Salsa, rumba, bossa nova at the bottom, you can see it. And they're telling you, let the drums play by themselves for 4 measures before you do anything. And then you start coming in with the left hand. Etc. And then we go down and we play lines 2 and 3 twice. And we play the last line twice. Then there's a note at the bottom saying DC, I'll fade out. So you DC, go back to the beginning, and fade out just to fade out. Just continue to play the first line over and over and over until you fade out. Well, I would suggest you do the first line once and then let the drums play 4 measures by themselves, and then the piece ends there. So the drums are beginning and ending the piece. 4 measures at the beginning, 4 measures at the end, and you're playing in the middle type thing. However you want to do it. If you have other people around, then let them improvise some stuff, and you can have a jam session on this piece. Now they're showing a little bit of pedal there for the chord. I don't know why exactly. You don't need it. You can play this piece without it just fine. I'm not going to show the pedal because that's all it is. It's a big deal. I want to do a play with me for it just to double check the notes and the rhythms. But I'm going to play the first line twice, the middle 2 lines twice, the last line twice, and then I'm going to go back up and play the first line once, and then we'll stop, and that'll be the play with me part of it. So I'll give us 4 counts, and let's try this fairly slowly. I'm going to play these 8th notes evenly, so let's see what happens. Start out with the left hand. 1, 2, ready, go, and 1 and 2. Rest. 2. Repeat. Rest. 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 4, tie, 2, 3, repeat. 2, 3, go on.